Ay, yun lang. It is possible for both consumer and producer surplus to be higher. Like the law establishing rent controls, it will transfer some producer surplus to your consumers. It helps explain why consumers often favor them. Kaya kanina, mas gusto ng inyong consumer ang na nag-i-impose ang gobyerno ng price ceiling because some of the producer surplus ay mapupunta sa consumer surplus niyang nawala from your producer surplus. Okay. Kaya, kaya nga sinasabi kanina na ang purpose ng pag-impose ng price ceiling is for the benefit ng consumer, which makes sense na lalaki yung producer surplus mo pag nag-increase ka, nag-impose ka ng price ceiling. Okay? Because mas nakamura siya. Kung hindi nag-impose ang price ceiling ang gobyerno, 600 sana ang ibabayad niya. Because nag-impose siya ng price ceiling that's anything value below the equilibrium price, mas makakamura si consumer kaysa dati kung hindi nag-intervene o nag-impose ang gobyerno ng price.